Okay guys, here is our 3D rendering for your house. This is all to size and scale. Obviously we have our kitchen here, our refrigerator in the corner. This entire side is panelized. There is a rail or a horizontal piece that runs across here, just a limitation with the cabinet program. Crown molding across here, you guys have a 9-foot plate line. This fridge leg is 92 inches tall plus the crown, which leaves about a foot of space from the top of the cabinet to the ceiling. 25.5 inches deep. This fits a standard refrigerator. This opening's about 37 by 72. And this is quoted with the maple shaker style that's distressed. I text a picture of a vanity to Andy, and this is a lacquer, 3 coats of lacquer sealed over the top of that distressed shaker. And it looked, that was one of my favorite vanities that I had done with that style. Our island, now this is modified off of the plans. I believe I shrunk this wall and this wall. Otherwise there was awkward spaces that did not leave enough room for the for drawers. So I modified that a bit. Of course, we can grow it if you want these drawers wider or this space wider. Your dishwasher is right here to put another stack of drawers. But I'm sure that is completely doable at this stage to tweak this in or out. And this is quoted where this is just a solid slab that extends off the back, and there's steel supports in the granite overhang, so there are not any corbels. And Andy had mentioned that you guys were going to possibly put cultured stone or rock on the back. One idea to make that look clean, if Brian is going to build this pony wall, instead of having the end of the wall exposed with wallboard, and then we have the cabinet and then cultured stone, there's just too much going on there, too many mediums. So kicking around some ideas, if this applied panel that's on the side of this cabinet, if we just extend this and add the thickness of the wall, which would be about 4.5 inches plus a couple inches, so add 6.5 inches to this so that this applied panel would stick. Here, let's look at it this way. Bear with me here. So this would stick out to about here and create a space for that cultured stone to die into. It would just give it a clean look, if that makes sense. So this applied panel that's right here would extend out about 2 inches, and then that cultured stone would die into the side of it. That way we wouldn't see any of the wallboard on the end of this wall here. So just an idea. So again, the dishwasher, your sink, 3-drawer stack here, and I just pulled these measurements off of the plans. So we have our wall oven and this floor to ceiling cabinet. Again, this is 92 inches, same height as here, and then a microwave on this side. A suggestion that I may have, if we just combine, put the microwave over here, this is going to be a difficult countertop space in here, just tucked behind this counter. Just my opinion. It's not very usable, this corner. So either we take that wall oven and put it over here, put the wall oven underneath the microwave, and just turn this into base cabinets and extend these uppers across. Just eliminate this floor to ceiling. That might open up and make this kitchen look a bit larger. Lazy Susan in the corner. Spice roll out right here. Your cooktop is in this cabinet. Drawer stack, drawer stack. These are bifold doors, meaning these two doors are connected, as well as these. They open up together. Tray divider right here. for cookie sheets, etc., etc. And then obviously our upper cabinet space up here. Okay, kitchen, moving on. Bathroom. Drawer stack in the center. This linen cabinet. Again, this is all to size and scale. Elevation view here. Whoops. So this is a little cramped. Typically we want about 16 inches from the center of the sink to the wall. So 23 divided by 2 plus this 1.5 inches. That should be 1.5 inches. I need to change that. The sink's a little bit tight to the wall, but just trying to make a usable drawer stack in the middle here. Of course we can adjust this, but just trying to get 2 sinks in a 5-foot space with a drawer stack in the middle is a little tight. It'll do it. I do it all the time, but it's something to think about there. But that's pretty straightforward as far as that bath. This is 84 inches tall. And then this is countertop height. Typically vanity is 34 inches. Kitchens are 36 plus. This is at 36, a little bit taller height, which people are more and more wanting the vanities higher. Laundry room. We have shelves running across here with closet rod underneath of it. These are 18 inches deep, double doors, adjustable shelving in there, crown molding across the top. And I believe this is 92. Looks like I forgot to raise these walls up. But of course 9-foot plate line throughout. And then your washer and dryer underneath these uppers. Your sink is over here in the corner. Man, I'm having a hard time getting a good angle on this. Again, washer and dryer here. We have, Andy was talking about a junk drawer right here. Double doors underneath, adjustable shelf. And then on just a flip-flop design, other side, double doors. And the back of this and the side of this are panelized, like we have here. Just a limitation in the program to panelize the back of that. But this would all be panelized on the back and side. Upper cabinets, adjustable shelving. Master bathroom. His and hers. Linen. This is a little narrow to sneak 2 doors in there, but I think it'll look better than just doing 1 door below and 1 above. A drawer stack, again in your plans, this was all 1 cabinet with the sink in the center, but I'm suspecting you're going to want a drawer stack for toothbrushes, etc., to get to easily. So another thing just to pay attention to and kind of map it out in your current house. The proximity, how close this is. So 28.5 divided by 2 plus 1.5 inches, center of the sink from the wall. And these are just mirror images of one another. Crown molding across the top. This is 84 inches tall. So you have quite a bit of space above. But that is just a typical upper or a floor to ceiling height. And then the dresser and the master bedroom. So this guy is about 54 inches tall, 36 wide. The plans called for 16 deep, but I made it 18. 16 is not quite enough for a dresser. And in the plans, I have this with full extension Metabox drawers, not the full extension wood dovetail drawer box. This is a dresser, and again, it's just not typical to put dovetail soft close drawer guides in a dresser. They're nice, but expensive. And then we can do that in a stain grade finish as well, instead of just melamine. So anyway, that's where we are at. Let me know what you think. Have any changes? We can tweak it to just how you guys like it. Typically, if we adjust it a little bit here and there, that doesn't do much to the cost. But this should give you guys an accurate representation of how it's actually going to look. And again, this is all to absolute size and scale. So let me know. Thanks, guys.